Okay. Good morning. This is a tutorial on how to use the Combine with an Excel spreadsheet of the Rapid Word Collection questionnaire, and also an Excel dictionary on hand, um, or dictionary in Excel form. So here we go. I split each side with one of the Excel dictionaries so it's easier to differentiate. And I'm at the web page for the Rapid Word Collection Combine website. So first thing you do is log in. Here we go. I'm logging in, and it takes you to this page. It might look a little bit different for yours, but you look for the project you're working on. We're working on Locono today. Click on it. It takes you here, and I'm gonna maximize this for a brief second. Okay. Over here, you will see the 9 different what they call semantic domains. Those are groupings of words that are loosely affiliated with one another. So, for example, on creation, you'll find animals, plants, stars, and all that. That's all part of the universe. Then the different group of words over here for daily life um, activities. So, if you click on it, it'll show you clothing, food, household equipment, cleaning. These are all different, but they relate to daily life. So that's how they're part of this language classification or semantic domain. To go back to the main page, you just click on the double arrow. It'll take you back. We can look at the different domains: sky, world. See, you go from the larger classification to smaller, more specific. And I talked about the sky. Then, when the sky, there's the sun, air, weather. Click on the sun, takes you to the moon, stars, and planets. Go moon again, and there are. That's pretty much it for the moon. Star, not much. Planets, not much either. Then you go back. I'm gonna show you now the Excel spreadsheet. So what you saw, this classification, this is the same thing but written down and broken down. When you look at over here, this refers to over here, this is domain 1. These are the tabs. Domain 2, they're the same as these domains here. But they're broken down and numbered, classified in numbers, and there are more words. So for example, when we looked at 1, 1, let's see, 1, 1, sky. This one's a little bit different than what we're using, but that's okay. Go again, 1 again, and then you'll see moon. 1.11 moon. See? It's the same one. Might be slight variations, and that's okay. Just keep the common um classification, just go up a little bit if you need to. So 1.11, and then we click again. 1, there's nothing there, but these are part of that classification. So what you do is um make note of it. So this is 1111, which is moon, and then there's another subclassification 1, 2, 3, 4, and these break down different categories. What words you refer to the moon? Moon, lunar, satellite. Those are words that we use in English to refer to the moon. Some other languages may use these terms, some may not. So, and then what words refer to how the moon moves? Rise, set, sink. So these are all part of words of this category. All right. So this is the Excel spreadsheet, and this is useful because let's just say you found the word that you want to look up. Click over here. You want to find, let's say, let's look for a word. Acidity, right? Over here. Let's look over here. Acidity. So where is acidity in all of this? You wouldn't know where to start. So you go over here and you look it up. So let's look up acidity. Find in this document. So here we go. Acidity. Not there. So let's try. Hold on. Sometimes you have to manipulate it and get it out of the box. No. All right. Let's see. Nope, not there. So sometimes you won't find it. So how can we look it up anyway? The root word. So the root word of acidity is acid. So acid rain. Nope, that's not it. Let's click the next one. I think that's it. Well, we might be limited. You know what? Let's see. Advanced search. Let's do an advanced search. Okay, see, that is a problem because when it was searching within only this sheet. We need to search the whole document because there are multiple sheets. Each one of these is considered a sheet, so there's a separate section. So what you do is when you do an advanced search, you click workbook. Workbook means the whole document. All right, so let's look it up now. Again, acidity. Let's find all. And here we go. Placidity. Ah, that's not it. Let's see. Nope. So placidity is what they found. So let's look up then acid, which is the root word. Placid, no. Let's find all. Here we go. Acid. Digestive juices. Acids. Let's see. Placid, acid. Let's see over here. Acid. Yeah, this is more correct. What types of chemicals are there? So that's good. So then where is this semantic domain? If we look on the bottom, this is domain 6. And if we scroll over, it tells us exactly where we are. So this is 6.6.29. All right. I'm going to close this here because now we know what acid is. This is acidity or acid. So I think that we can use that term. Acid like. So borahahu. I might have said it wrong. Forgive me for that. So I'm selecting the Lakona word. And go back so we don't lose our place. And we're gonna go over here to the top again. And we're gonna look up 6.6. So this is 6 over here. 6.6. Okay. 2. And then it says 9. I think 6.629. Let's look up 9 over here. 9. Working with chemicals. Okay. We're not obviously exploding them, so we're going to stop here then. And we're going to put acid. We could put acid and then put idity in quotations or parentheses, excuse me, to indicate that it wasn't, it's more is the word acid, but where the lacuna would be acidity. So I enter it here. Oops, wrong. Sorry. I go next to the next square and I paste it there. There we go. Borajo. And once I have it, I'm done. This is how I want it. I press return and it's entered. Okay. Now, how do I know if it's in the dictionary? You go to the top here, where says data entry. You click on it. Oops, sorry. Data cleanup. I'm still learning it. Go to data cleanup, go review entries, and here they all are. Okay. And it's in alphabetical order. So you scroll down and you'll see I did some of the previous ones. And what's good is it tells you which semantic domain it is in. So this will help in the future when we do other dictionaries in other languages and they could refer to the same concept. And we could create dictionaries between different indigenous languages. All right, so that's acidity. Let's go next to across. across. All right, so let's select the Lacono word. And we're going to copy that. I press Command C, that copies it. And I'm going to move it over so I don't lose my space. So we're looking for across. All right, we're going to go back. So we'll go to data entry. We want to go to the beginning. And then we're going to go over here and look up the word across. Find in this document. Across. Here we go. This is domain 7. But no, it's pointing to this. That's we want the cross in here. So we will go then to the next one. Nope. Nope. Move across. Let's see here. To move across. Let's see if we get a better one. Pull across. 10 feet across. Across. There we go. This is a better one. So we slide over, and this is found in domain 8, 8.5. So we go over here. Domain 8, 5, 8.5, 8.5, 1.6, 8.5, 1.6 across. Here we go. And there it is. So we click on it. It doesn't break it down further, which is fine. We just click on it and we write the word across. And then we paste the Locono word for it. And we double check across Barruda. All right, good. Then, like I said, we press enter. And then we go, if you want to click check, you go back to data cleanup, review entries, and it's right there. What was it? It was across. Across. ACC, accuse. Oh, I don't think I saved it. Well, let's go back. Cross. No, I didn't save it. I didn't press enter. See, it's important you press enter. So across. Oh, it's already there. So I didn't say. I don't know. Something happened here. Hold on. Let's go to data cleanup. Let's exit. Hold on. It's not. Let's delete that. Exit. All right. Let's check that again. Review entries. Maybe it didn't upload it yet. Am I missing something here? Back, abstain, accuse, a custom. I've never had this happen to me before. Oh, I see. This only goes 10 per page, so it's on the next page. Silly me. Haven't gotten there that far. So there it is. All right. So just to avoid that, put all. So there we go. All cross. All right. See, I'm learning as well as I go. So that is the new word. Let's do another one just for practice. Actually. All right. So let's copy the Lacona word. You could press Command C if you have a keyboard. And then you look up the word actually. So let's go back. Data entry. Go to the top. Let's go over here. And we're gonna look up actually. All right, that's not a good one. Keep searching. Nope, not a good one either. Not a good one either. And there we go. Booyah. This is the word we want. So we slide on over and we see that it is semantic domain 9. over here, 9.63. So let's go to 9. Semantic domain 9, 9.6, 9.63. And then we go at 9.63, 2, 2, and that's it. This is the end of it. So this is where we will go. So you click on it and you put the word actually. And then you paste, you press Command V, and it will paste the Locono word there. And you press enter, and there you go. You just entered this word, so it's wonderful. It's great. We move on to the next one, and you just keep going down until this is all we're up to 17. So I've entered all 17 or 16 actually. And we have 2,431 more to go. So, and that's pretty much how to enter it into the combine. Once we finish we go to data cleanup, we review the entries, and once these are all done, we can export this data into another program called the Flex. And in the Flex, you can actually add more information for each word. We could put the IPA, phonetic spelling. We could also put the phonetic spelling of a word, and we could put sound clips. And then once that's put in the Flex and the Flex is complete, then you upload it to the Webinary Dictionary online, and that will be there. Let me show you what the final product will be. So you go to the Webinary Locono. There we go. Perfect. And this is the final product. We have a page. We got permission. We were approved for it. So these are the words. And then you click on them. See, this is the phonetic spelling.
Abba. Abba.
And that is Elder Ivan Cornelius pronouncing the first word, Abba. Abba. And this one, Adunka. I have to fix this.
Adunka. Adunka.
And you will see the Locono word in black, the English translation in blue. And this number system over here is the rapid word collection number classification system, so that in the future we can correspond Locono words with other languages like Wapishan, Makushi, or Arekuna, and we could create dictionaries between indigenous languages in the future. That's why we're using it. All right. I hope this was clear. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.